Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick little tutorial on how to draw the face more efficiently, more quickly, and with more accuracy. Okay, so I've come up with a technique here, and this technique, I actually wrote it down the other day, is called the magic balls technique. Okay, and what that means is, if you see here, I've drawn little balls on the paper. Okay, colored them in orange for you. Okay, so what these balls do is they represent the relationships between the eyes and the nose. Okay, and then we'll talk about the mouth being one solid line like this. How you emphasize the mouth quickly, easy, and like I said, more accurately. Okay, so you have to learn, in order to draw caricatures or to be able to draw anything, you have to be able to look at it basically, understand what it is basically first before you can get into the complexity of the feature. Okay, so the object is here is to draw this person with as less lines as possible and as accurately as possible. So let's just go ahead and start with our exercise for the day. So I have my gentleman here. Now we're going to have 3 balls. So when you do this, you're going to have your 3 balls here, and you get to place them wherever you want on the paper, but you get to manipulate the size. You get to manipulate distance, or choose what distance you want in between the balls. Okay, and then you also get to choose the angle of the ball. In other words, you can, which way you want to turn it. Okay, so this is what I do here. To draw this guy, I would say, okay, I'll make an observation about his face. His nose is really big. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a big ball right here. But now I don't want his eyes to be as big as this ball, so I might draw 2 little balls here. Okay, and then I might draw his mouth with one line. And usually I'll follow the top line, so I'll do something like this just to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now once you know where your balls are, you can now start placing features. So what I would do is I'll say, okay, watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see where everything is starting to come in at. Look. You see, so no matter what I do now, because I understand where these balls go, I can manipulate the size, the distance, and everything in between the balls to help me be able to draw the face. Okay, so let's go ahead and demonstrate that one more time for you. I got a couple of little pictures here. Then this is a baby. Okay, so obviously you look at the baby and you say, all right, with babies, what happens is that you generally want to have your eyes bigger than the nose or the mouth. Okay, so and I'm hoping that you guys can see this. I'm going to try to use the bottom half of my paper here. Okay, so let's just take 2 balls, and we'll say, okay, look at baby's eyes. 1 ball here, 1 ball here. Okay, now babies usually have small noses that are next to, so he'll have a ball here. And then look at the top lip, right? Look at the top lip only and draw it. Okay, now watch what happens. You put the eyebrows, right? But you can see that I've already got a pretty good picture of this baby because I've already understood what the formula is. So you make up your formula with the balls. Remember, size, distance, and angle. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do one more shape for you, or one more face, okay, just to show you. This works on no matter who you're drawing your face up, okay? So once again, this guy has a pretty big nose. So we'll just use a ball that's kind of big here. And then we want to basically put his, let's say we put the ball here. So we'll put regular size ball here, regular size ball here. All right. And then we draw the top lip just like this. Okay. So now what happens is, bam, look. Bam, just like that. 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 And you see, it already looks like a cartoon of him. Even though we really haven't even done much. That took about 15 seconds. Okay? So guys, I hope that this tutorial helped you out today. The ball technique is what this is called. Once again, know what your formula is. Look at the face, make an observation about it. If the balls are all the same size, you know, you make them all the same size. Maybe you want to put a distance like this. Maybe you want to do one ball big, one ball small, and then you want to do this. This comes in good when you're doing expressions. So you can see how this eye looks big and then this eye looks like that. You see? Comes in good when you do expression. So you guys, I hope that this once again video helped you guys to be able to see your faces a little bit more clearly. And we'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. You guys have a blessed and wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe below.